Welcome everyone. In previous session we have discussed about the addition, subtraction and simplification of rational number, and we have discussed till third question of exercise 4.2. Today we are going to start question number 4 of exercise 4.2, in which the first question is subtract. First part is 5 upon 8 from minus 9 upon 20. How we will solve these question subtract method? Firstly, write the digit after from. From के बाद जो digit है write कर लेंगे. That is the minus 9 upon 20. From के बाद क्या digit है? Minus 9 upon 20. So write minus 9 upon 20. Subtract meaning the sign of minus, and in the bracket write first digit before from. Yeah, we can say write the digit before from. So from से पहले क्या digit है? 5 upon. Write in the bracket. So if we simplify this, minus 9 upon 20, this implies that minus multiply plus, it is the minus 5 upon 8. And how we will solve this? So we can say, we will see the denominator of two rational number are not same. The denominator of two rational number are not same. So we take LCM of 20, 8. So LCM of 20, 8 is, generally we can say 40. So 40 divided by 20, 2 multiply with 9, 2 multiply with minus 9. After that, sign of minus. 40 divided by 8, we will get 5. 5 multiply with 5. And after simplification, we can say 2 multiply 9 is the 18, and with the sign of minus. 5 multiply 5, 25, sign of minus, and upon में denominator 40. So minus minus 2 digit. So add these digit and with the sign of minus. 25 and 18, 33 and 10, 43 divided by 40. So this is the final answer. Let's see. Firstly, write the digit after from, then sign of minus, then digit right before from, 5 upon 8 in the bracket. After that, simplify, and we will see easily the denominator of two rational number are not same. So there is necessary to take LCM of denominator, and denominator are 20 and 8. So LCM of 20 and 8 is 40. So if we simplify these rational number, we will get the final answer minus 43 divided by 40. So the remaining question, do yourself. We will discuss question number 5. So in the question number 5, also simplification. Let's see the first part of question number 5, in which 7 upon 8, then 1 upon 3 plus minus 3 upon 4. So firstly, open the bracket, 7 upon 8 with the positive sign, then 1 upon 3 is also with the positive sign, but here we can say plus multiply with minus, we get the sign of minus, and minus 3 upon 4. So we can simply, the denominator are not same. So we take LCM of 8, 3 and 4. So the LCM of 8, 3 and 4 is 2, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. So we get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. So the LCM of 8, 3 and 4 is 24. So what is the procedure to do? 24 is the LCM of 8, 3 and 4. So in the denominator write 24. What we do? See carefully, listen carefully. 24 divided by denominator. Firstly, divide by denominator. 24 divided by 8. We get 3. The answer multiply with numerator. 3 multiply with 7. Then sign of plus. Then 24 divided by 3. Second denominator. 24 divided by 3. And we get 8. This 8 multiply with upper part, yeah, we can say numerator. 8 multiply with 1 and a sign of minus. Then 24 divided by third denominator, and 24 divided by 4 we get 6. This 6 multiply with upper part, here we can say 3, numerator 6 multiply with 3, and after that we will get, let's see, 3 7 ja 21 with the sign of positive, 8 1 ja 8 with the plus sign, 6 3 ja 18 with the sign of minus, divide by denominator में क्या है 24. After that 21 plus 8 29, 29 minus 18 we will get 11. So the final answer is 11 upon 24. So much easy question. Firstly open bracket, then if denominator are same then proceed, if denominator are not same then firstly take LCM and do these questions. So these are the very basic questions. If there is any doubt, so you can discuss. Question number 6, add of two fraction and the final answer write in mixed fraction. Final answer write as a mixed fraction. Let's see first question. Question number 6, a part 7 upon 8 and 101 divided by 6. So here are the two fractions. We want to add these two fractions. So 7 upon 8 plus 101 divided by 6. 7 upon 8 plus 101 divided by 6. You can write these two fractions in bracket. So we can simplify 7 upon 8 plus 101 divided by 6. So easily we are seeing 8 and 6 are not same, so means denominator are not same. So the LCM of denominator is, LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. So what we procedure follow? 24 divided by 8 we get 3, and 3 multiply with numerator. 3 multiply with and numerator is 7. Then sign of plus, 24 divided by 6 we get 4, and 4 multiply with 101 we get 4 multiply 1. 3 7 ja we get 21. 4 multiply with 101 we will get 404. 4 1 ja 4, 400, 4 1 ja 4 divided by 24. If we add the two digits then 4 to 5. 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 0 2, 4 divided by 20. This is the answer. But according to the question, express the sum as a mixed fraction. So divide these fraction 4 to 5 divided by 24. 24 we can write table 24, 48, 72. So 24 1 ja 24, after minus we will get 12 minus 4 8, 3 minus 2 1, we get here 5. After that 12 24 3 ja 72, 24 4 ja 96, 24 5 ja 120, 24 6 ja 144, 24 6 ja 168, and 24 8 ja 192. So 24 by 24, 24 2 is 48, 72, 96, 120, 24 6 is 144, 24 7 is 168, and 24 4 is 8 is 192, but 185. The smaller digit from 185 is 168. So we will write 168, and on the place 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here write 7 in the quotient. After minus we will get 15 minus 8 7, 7 minus 6 1. So in the mixed fraction write quotient firstly, then 14. Sorry, this is the 17. 17 in the numerator part and 24 as a denominator. So this is your final answer. The sum of two fractions in the as a mixed fraction. So easy question. Firstly simplify the bracket. If there is minus sign, then simplify the bracket. Then by procedure follow. We get denominator are not same. So take LCM. After LCM we will get these fraction, but according to the question, right the answer is a mixed fraction. So we will divide and the final answer we will get 17 plus 17 upon 24. Is there any doubt? So you can discuss with me. I hope you are understood these questions. So exercise 4.2, question number 4, 5, 6. These are homework for you. So thank you so much.